Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. So I will put this one go to the right. Next, we divide both sides by y minus 1 and x plus 1. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. Next, the integration of this one, we have ln of the absolute value of y minus 1. The integration of this one, we have ln of the absolute value of x plus 1, and we put about c. Now we have the conditions. That means when x equals to number 0, y equals to number 3. So I will put number 0 in here and positive number 3 go in here to find the value of c. ln number 1 you got about 0. This one we have ln number 2. So c equals to ln number 2. Now I will change the value of c into ln number 2. And you got the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.